Hello guys, welcome back to our last video in areas. So here is our question, general question asking about a circular fishing pond which has a diameter of 14.7 meters, and we are asked to take pi as 3.14 to find its area. So if it is a circular, when we look into solution, we sketch by drawing a circular, and the diameter we are spanning from this end up to this end. So if that is the case now, we are saying that the diameter is 14.7 meters. And if we are to find the area is equals to pi r square, where pi is represented by 3.14 times radius, which is 14.7 meter square. So if that is the case, it means our final solution here is 3.114 times the 14 square, 216.09 meter square. And we need to multiply this number again. Answer 678.5226. So actually, when we are to put it into one decimal, we get 678. Remember here it's meter square, 0.5 meter square. I think this is all for this video and for the topic. We shall end here. However, a general summary is that when we take a look into a circle, this is a circumference, okay? This is a circumference, and circumference is the perimeter, and also this is a diameter. But when we split diameter in half, we come up with a radius. So diameter is equals to radius plus radius, or r times 2, radius times 2. And also the circumference, if you are to look for example, we are looking for perimeter, we say the distance around circumference. And also, how do we find circumference? Circumference is equals to pi d, or 2 pi r. And how do we get pi? Pi is equals to circumference all over the diameter. That's how we get pi. How to get d is r plus r. So these are the basic knowledge that you need to know about a circle. I think this is all for this video. Bye-bye.